Hey there viewers, and welcome back to another Bestie video. Do you think about the amount of veggies you eat in a day? If not, then maybe it's time you do. Eating an assortment of vegetables every day is linked with a lower risk of chronic diseases. With so many choices, it can be hard to pick healthy options. When it comes to nutritional value, some veggies are power-packed with nutrients like potassium, fiber, folate, and a host of other vitamins and minerals. The higher the value, the more dense the vegetable is considered to be, and the better it is for overall health. Beets and beet greens, watercress, asparagus helps with blood pressure? In this video, we'll be answering those questions plus covering all the veggies that are powerhouses of nutrition. Number 1. Collard greens. Let's start off by talking about the most obvious choice for nutritionally dense veggies. Collard greens are in the same family as broccoli, cabbage, and others. A diet that has the right balance of fruits and vegetables lowers the risk of heart disease, osteoporosis, and other conditions. These greens are an excellent source of vitamin K, which keeps bones healthy, glucosinolates that lower the chances of certain cancers, and fiber, which is a blessing in disguise for diabetics. Skin looking dry and hair lifeless? This may be an indication that your body needs more greens. What's the secret behind your shining hair and skin? Tell us in the comments below. Number 2. Swiss chard. Anything green is good for you. Swiss chard is an excellent source of dietary fiber and also has a plethora of vitamins, magnesium, potassium, and iron. Tasting somewhat like spinach, this green is gluten-free and sugar-free. Adding 1 cup of Swiss chard to your everyday diet will repair cell damage, slow down age-related cognitive decline, and lower the possibility of heart disease. This nutritional powerhouse is also hailed for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Dairy-free calcium is one mineral that's found in abundance in chard and makes a great option for people with lactose intolerance. Number 3. Watercress. Watercress is one power-packed, nutrient-rich green, which is usually overlooked. It belongs in the same family as kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, and adds a delicious spicy hint to any meal. It's low in calories and high in manganese, calcium, vitamins, especially vitamin K and other nutrients. Being fat-soluble in nature, the riboflavin, folate, and pantothenic acid keeps bones healthy, gets rid of harmful free radicals, and boosts blood vessel health. The goodness of the watercress doesn't stop there. Eating it in your sandwiches or salads also gets rid of the bad cholesterol. This superfood is responsible for lowering the risk of premature mortality and disability. Number 4. Microgreens. In recent years, microgreens have gained popularity not just for their looks but also for their incredible health benefits. These seedlings of vegetables and herbs that can be grown easily on your windowsill provide some key ingredients needed in your diet. Fun to grow and tasty to eat, microgreens for amaranth, broccoli, kale, mustard, and others boost mental and physical well-being, help manage weight, and prevent numerous diseases. Do you know that microgreens contain a higher concentration of minerals and vitamins than their fully grown versions? You can even add microgreen versions of veggies that contain carotenoids, like cilantro and red cabbage, for extra health benefits. Number 5. Asparagus. Who doesn't love a side of steamed, crispy, and nicely seasoned asparagus? Asparagus deserves more recognition than a side dish. This spring veggie is packed to the brim with nutrition and is a natural source of potassium, fiber, and protein. In case you're watching your blood sugar, asparagus is just the vegetable you need. It contains a special trace mineral called chromium that enhances the ability to transport insulin from glucose to the cells. Another important health benefit of asparagus is the antioxidants, which slow down aging by getting rid of harmful free radicals. Also known for their brain-boosting properties and ability to keep some cancers at bay, these green veggies are always a great idea. Number 6. Kale. Kale is the king among greens. These curly, bitter-tasting veggies are one of the healthiest and most nutritious on the planet. Just a single cup of chopped raw kale contains densely packed vitamin A, K and C, copper, potassium, and calcium, just to name a few. The large portion of fat in it is due to the omega-3 fatty acids, which maintain proper brain health. Flavonoids, antioxidants, beta-carotene, and polyphenols are also found largely in kale that lowers blood pressure, protects the heart against disease, and displays antiviral properties. Did you know that kale also has antidepressant and anti-cancer properties? Number 7. Pumpkin. When it comes to underrated foods, pumpkin steals the show. It's more than just a Halloween decoration. Pumpkin has some intense medicinal properties. Half a cup of raw, diced pumpkin contains iron, fiber, and zinc. However, what makes it a powerhouse among vegetables is the presence of lutein and zeaxanthin that helps to prevent cataracts and reduces the risk of macular degeneration. Remember to always choose fresh pumpkin over canned to gain the most health benefits. Beta-carotene, the element responsible for its vibrant orange color, plays a major role in cell growth and maintaining the health of various organs and bodily functions. Number 8. Spinach. A rule of thumb is that any green veggie is the body's best friend. Spinach packs high amounts of folic acid, calcium, and iron, among other minerals that have incredible health benefits. It's also the best source of dietary potassium and magnesium, which are two of the most important electrolytes necessary for maintaining overall health. Eat spinach raw or slightly cooked, as it contains more potassium than 1 cup of banana. Spinach is also beneficial for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and strong bones, as well as helping with digestion, lowering the risk of heart disease, and improving blood glucose control in diabetics. Adding a little bit of these magic green leaves in your curry will not only enhance the taste of the dish, but it'll also make it much healthier too. Are you eating the right vegetables? Check out these vegetables you should and should not be eating. Now back to the powerhouse veggies you should be eating regularly. Number 9. Chinese cabbage. Napa or Chinese cabbage are grown in mainland China. These crunchy and celery-flavored leaves contain almost 0 calories. The insoluble fiber and folic acid, which are some of the most essential compounds found in DNA, offer protection against certain types of cancer while lowering high cholesterol. Folate and B-complex vitamins are available naturally in Chinese cabbage that makes bones stronger, healthier, and decreases the risk of age-related osteoporosis. Another chief component found in this cabbage is potassium that regulates heart rate and blood pressure. Number 10. Leaf lettuce. Any salad remains incomplete without adding a good helping of leafy greens and, of course, lettuce. This secret powerhouse veggie is the healthiest out of all the lettuce varieties available at the grocery store. Low in calories and high in vitamins and potassium, leaf lettuce is one of the most nutritionally dense greens you can find. From healthy sandwiches to green juices, including it every day will keep you hydrated and help with disease prevention. Being incredibly rich in flavonoids, they protect the body from certain cancers as well. Pregnant women are advised to eat lettuce along with other greens as it plays a vital role in the prevention of neural tube defects during pregnancy. Number 11. Red bell pepper. Do you know fresh, raw bell peppers contain 92% water? Out of all the colorful bell peppers, red has to be the best nutritional value. These vibrant peppers are an excellent source of vitamins, folic acid, and potassium, making it an ideal addition to any of your meals. Available in a variety of sizes and packing some heat, capsaicin is one element that sets this veggie apart from the rest. This is because it promotes weight loss by suppressing appetite and making you feel fuller for longer. Number 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense veggies you can come across. The goodness of this green vegetable is known all over the world. And why not? Broccoli is high in numerous nutrients like vitamin C and K, iron, potassium, and protein. It's also one of the rare vegetables that have some of the highest protein, making it ideal for gym goers. Eating this green vegetable regularly will keep your skin glowing while also supporting your immune system. From maintaining eye health to lowering the cholesterol levels, broccoli has truly earned its place as one of the healthiest vegetables. Eating vegetables every day is important for maintaining good overall health. They're a rich source of natural vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Including a healthy variety of vegetables will do wonders for your physical and mental health. This is how you should be cooking vegetables without compromising their nutritional value. Also, check out 9 healthiest foods you should be eating. Watch these 2 videos to learn about how veggies are your best friend. Which vegetable is your favorite and how do you include it in your diet? Sound off in the comment section below.